Our goal is to deliver fresh water to the world with the lowest carbon footprint at a low cost while helping to restore marine biodiversity.
I believe Flocean is one of the most exciting products I have ever worked with. With this solution, we can make a huge change in how our community uses the ocean to improve the quality of life of millions of people worldwide.
By 2030, global water demand will exceed supply by 40%. Seawater is abundantly available for making freshwater using reverse osmosis. However, conventional plants are large and power-hungry. And due to high biological activity in the intake water, most of a plant is pre-treatment processes, requiring chemicals which follow the brine reject stream back into surface waters. These inefficiencies create high carbon emissions and have a negative effect on corals, seagrasses, and marine animals. There is another way. Using seawater from depths with no sunlight, low biological activity, and clean water. Where water is naturally pressurized to 40 to 50 bar. Ideal for RO. Enter FSubsea. The team has deployed more than 50 subsea pump systems. They helped develop the world's first subsea water treatment plant. Now launching a unique subsea RO solution using the natural qualities of the deep ocean. The team uses unique skills, proven technology, and is cooperating closely with global water leaders. Partnerships in place with strong players, such as SWRO and Siemens Energy. The Flocean system is highly scalable, energy efficient, and uses minimal land area. Chemical free, and does not harm marine life at either the intake or the outfall. Simple, unmanned, robust, and affordable.
It is highly motivating to work with the development of Flocean as it solves some of humanity's largest challenges. Not only does it address water stress, but also food security and marine biodiversity.
Let the journey begin.